Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. Welcome to our Hajj Guide series. In today's video, I want to talk about a crucial aspect of Hajj and Umrah, which is Tawaf. And as you know, we have done Tawaf partially in our previous video, but in this video, I will try to cover all the aspects of doing Tawaf correctly. So it's not only an important part for Hajj, but it is an important and crucial part for the Umrah. So every Muslim must know how to perform it correctly. So let's dive into the complete method of the Tawaf. Before starting Tawaf, you must perform wudu or ghusl. So you should have the tahara, the proper tahara, the purity. And it involves washing your hands, face, head and feet. So wuzu is also a necessary and crucial part for all acts of worship in Islam. Secondly, approach the Kaaba and stand facing it. Raise your hands and say Allahu Akbar, and that marks the beginning of the Tawaf. Next, if possible, touch or point at the black stone with your right hand. And if it is not possible due to the crowd, just raise your hand towards it and say BISMILLAHI, Allahu Akbar. And the next thing, the step 4 is now start walking around the Kaaba in an anti-clockwise direction. And during this Tawaf, during the circling, you must recite supplications, du'as from Quran and Sunnah, and you can even make your own du'as. And the next step is when you have completed 7 circles, so each and every, at the beginning of every circle, the circle of Tawaf, you may point towards the Hajar Aswad, the black stone, and say Bismillahi Allahu Akbar. And if you are able to touch it or kiss it, then go for that. It's not like mandatory to kiss it or touch it, but it's still recommended and sort of blessing for a person who is doing that. Now we have done the 7 rounds of Tawaf, and as you know, our Tawaf, our rounds will be starting from the Hajar Aswad, from the black stone, and the same point is the ending point of every circle. So this is how you're gonna make the circle, the whole, the 7 circle. So you have now completed Tawaf. So we have completed Tawaf. So after that, we go and pray 2 rak'ats behind the Maqam Ibrahim. And if possible, pray there. And if it's not possible, then you can pray anywhere in Masjid Haram. So this is how you're gonna make your Tawaf, 7 rounds, and then 2 rak'ats behind the Maqam Ibrahim or in the Haram, in anywhere in Masjidul Haram. So that's it, and that's all about the Ihram, inshaAllah ta'ala. And this is a complete method of Tawaf, and remember to perform it with most sincerity and focus on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala during Tawaf. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our Tawaf and grant us the opportunity to perform Hajj and Umrah again and again. Jazakumullahu khairan.